Hi guys, this is Prius Wanderer. This video is about controlling the vehicle temperature. My number one concern for car camping with my pups is the temperature inside the vehicle. The number one piece of equipment that makes this possible for me is my Prius. The Prius is a generator with climate control. When it's in ready mode, the air conditioning can run continuously. The air runs off the 12-volt battery. The Prius monitors the 12-volt battery automatically. The hybrid battery keeps the 12-volt charged. When the hybrid battery gets low, the gas engine kicks in for a minute to recharge it. This keeps a constant, comfortable temperature inside the vehicle. Covering the windows helps the Prius work more efficiently. I can even leave the car in ready mode, lock it, and walk away with the key, and the car will continue to run as needed. This is also a perfect feature for my 12-volt refrigerator to have a constant power supply. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more videos, like and subscribe.